In this video, we'll teach you how to deploy a Lovable app into Netlify. So this is my quiz on Lovable AI and I need to deploy it to Netlify. So what you need to do is click on this GitHub logo in the top right corner and then click Connect GitHub. First of all, you need to connect to the GitHub. You need to click on this button and connect to the GitHub account. After you will connect to the GitHub account, then you need to click on Connect Project. You need to click on Add Organizations, then Install and Authorize, and then click Continue right here. Then click on Connect and Transfer anyway. So after we'll do all of the steps, now we can go to Netlify. You need to go to your dashboard, click on projects in the left menu, and right here you need to select import from Git. Then you need to click on GitHub and you need to click on authorize Netlify. Then click on install. Then you need to click on this button right here and you need to name the project, for example, random quiz. So this is just a test, guys. After that, you can customize the build settings, and if everything is fine, you can click deploy and your new project name right here. You need to click on this. Project deploy is in progress. As you can see, in a few seconds our project is already published, so we can click on our project and our Lovable AI app is deployed on Netlify. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.